Section 1, Introduction. Imagine if I told you that right now, sitting exactly where you are, you hold the key to unlocking solutions to your biggest challenges, to manifesting your goals, to healing your body, and to creating the life you've been dreaming of? Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But let me ask you, how many times have you set goals and then watched them fade away into the distance? How often have you felt stuck, unable to solve a problem, stuck in a rut, feeling like life is happening to you, not for you? If that's you, you're not alone. And here's the truth. It's not your fault. It's not because you lack talent, discipline, or hard work. It's because no one taught you how to tap into the most powerful tool you already have, is your mind. But the exciting part is that I'm going to show you a simple system, a method that has helped millions of people unlock the power of their mind to create success, health, and happiness in their lives. This is the Silva Method. Section 2, Pause and Question. But let's hit pause for a second. Maybe you're thinking, wait a minute, this sounds like one of those fluffy self-help ideas. I get it. There's a lot of noise out there. But let me ask you this. If it was as simple as just think positive, wouldn't everyone already be wildly successful? So why aren't they? Why aren't we? The answer is simple. It's not about just thinking positive. It's about learning how to access the right state of mind, the state where your subconscious is open, your creativity is unlocked, and your mind becomes your most powerful ally. That's where the Silva Method comes in. Section 3, the story of Jose Silva, origin story. Let's rewind to the 1940s. Jose Silva wasn't a scientist, he wasn't a doctor. He was an electronics repairman, an ordinary man with an extraordinary question. Can the human mind be trained like a radio or a computer? He spent years studying, experimenting, and working with people, testing, refining, and tweaking. And what he discovered was groundbreaking. When people access the alpha and theta brainwave states, they become more creative, intuitive, and capable of solving problems. He found that the brain is like a radio tuner, and by learning how to shift into the right state, you can tap into higher levels of creativity, intuition, and problem-solving abilities. This wasn't theory, this was practical, and it worked. Section 4. What is the Silva Method? Core concepts. The Silva Method is not just meditation. It's not sitting in silence waiting for answers to come. It's dynamic meditation, a process where you actively program your mind while in a relaxed, focused state. When you close your eyes and take a deep breath, you can intentionally shift your brain into alpha and theta levels. These are the states where your mind is most receptive, creative, and resourceful. In this state, you use specific techniques like the three-finger technique, a simple hand gesture that acts as a trigger to enter a calm, focused state. The mental screen, a mental movie theater where you project your goals, challenges, and solutions. The mirror of the mind, where you visualize problems as a negative image, then flip the switch and project the solution in bright, vibrant color. The glass of water technique, where you drink a glass of water with intention before sleep and wake up with insights or answers. These are not just visualizations. They are mental programming tools, a way to communicate directly with your subconscious mind and rewire it for success. Section 5, Reality Check. Quick check-in. Be honest with yourself. Have you ever felt like your brain is working against you? Like you know what you need to do, but you just can't make it happen? Or maybe you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or stuck in a loop of negative thinking. This is the trap of the beta state, the overthinking, overanalyzing, stressed out state that so many of us live in every day. But what if you could switch gears? What if you could access a state where you're calm, focused, and solutions flow naturally? That's what the Silva Method trains you to do. Section 6, Silva Method in Action, Real Story. Let me tell you about Laura Silva, Jose's daughter. She struggled with intense fear around public speaking, shaking hands, a pounding heart, the whole thing. But using the Silva Method, she visualized herself standing on stage, calm, confident, speaking clearly. She programmed that image in her mind over and over. And when the moment came, she wasn't just okay, she owned that stage. She became a global speaker, inspiring thousands. That's the power of mental programming in action. Section 7, guided exercise. Let's do a quick exercise together. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and out. Imagine a giant screen in front of you. This is your mental screen. Now, bring up a problem you're facing. See it in black and white. Dull, lifeless, stuck. Feel the frustration. Now shift it. Brighten the colors, add energy. See yourself solving it with ease. Feel the relief, the joy, the success. Take another deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. That's a glimpse of the Silva Method. Section 8, Call to Action Challenge. Here's my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, spend just 5 minutes a day practicing. Visualize your goals at the alpha level. Picture them already achieved. Feel the success. Section 9, Closing Message. Your mind is a powerful tool. When you learn to use it, you don't just solve problems. You don't just achieve goals. You create the life you truly want. That's the Silva Method. Are you ready to unlock your potential?